In this video, I want to show you how to clean water energetically. Water has energy, and you can feel this energy using your hands. You can feel toxic energy that come from the water, contaminations, high chemical content, and you can clean it energetically. How to do that? You need to prepare your hands first by rubbing your hands together until they are warm. Spread them apart. Feel energy ball between your hands. What I feel tingling sensations in my hands. Tingling sensations means I feel subtle energy in my hands, and it means my hands are ready. So now I can do sensing energy from the water. I use my dominant hand. I am right-handed, and use left hand like an antenna. I put my right hand close to water and try to find the end of the aura that comes from water. Here it is. You need to do very subtle movements with your hand until you feel tingling sensations in your hands. This is subtle energy that comes from water. If water has high chemical content or toxins, you feel some density in the energy, and it is possible to remove it. You can do sweeping motions like that or like that, and you can throw the energy. And you can do anti-clockwise movements. Anti-clockwise. And throw. Anti-clockwise. And throw. Anti-clockwise. And throw. So do this cleansing for 2 minutes and do test. After sufficient cleansing, you should feel pure energy coming from water, and you don't feel any density or contaminations coming from water. So this water is ready to drink. And this is how it's done. To energize your water, first you need to prepare your hands. Rub your hands together like that until they are warm. Spread them apart. Try to bring them together. Do it millimeter by millimeter until you feel resistance or you feel tingling sensations in your hands. This is your subtle body energy, and you feel it as tingling sensations. So this means you are holding a ball of energy. So feel this ball. Now visualize that a light entering your ball from the top. It can be a white light, or it can be a white of color. It can be any color. You need to choose what color you want to swallow. I associate colors with emotions. So what emotion you want to swallow? What emotion you want to drink right now? I would choose peace. I want to drink peace right now. So I associate pure white with peace. So I visualize a white color light entering my bowl, and now I am holding white ball of energy. So I feel white color. Feel white color. Now take it to your water, and now you need to start clockwise movement with your dominant hand. Clockwise, like that. Clockwise energy in, anti-clockwise energy out. So you do cleansing using anti-clockwise movements, and you do energizing using clockwise movements. And you really feel this energy, in my case it will be white energy, penetrating the water. You can do test. Always do test after 2 minutes of energy work and feel how energy changed. So right now I feel my water vibrating with peace, white snow peace. So now it's ready to drink. I am drinking peace with my water. And you can just you can generate any energy, put any energy, emotion into water and drink it. It will be a different color. For example, pink associated with unconditional love, turquoise can be also associated with peace, calmness, relaxation, yellow with happiness, orange with vibrancy, sexiness, vitality. Any colors you like, you feel like you want to drink and feel better after drinking it.